Hey everybody, this is Matt here with the Tahoma FJ, and just finished up doing a install on the Auxbeam 8 gang switch panel RGB. Did a little mod, so when I was doing a bunch of research and stuff, since this is a 2008, it doesn't have the VSC off switch from the factory, and it's kind of a pain to have to shut the vehicle off and get out and unplug the plug under the hood and then get going again, then doing it all over when you're finished up. So I found a YouTube video. I think it's Wanderlost Overland. They had a video where they hooked a switch up there, and you take the top plug over there. Recommend you watch their video, and you unplug it. There's a blue with yellow stripe wire. You snip that. I connected a wire going to the Auxbeam switch fuse panel there and have it hooked up. So by default, this has built-in memory. So when I turn the vehicle on and stuff, these stay on. If I leave them on and shut the vehicle off, they come back on. So this is my radios here. I don't have a whip antenna. Ironically, it's the VSC. I can do it on the fly. Don't have to shut the vehicle off. It's super handy. And I mounted the switch panel down here because it's right here where my hand rests. So if I'm running at night with these and somebody starts oncoming, I'm not having to funnel around the dash trying to figure out where the switch is and not blind them. So appreciate you watching this. Hope you enjoy the video. If you have any questions, let me know. And yeah, I enjoy all of your adventures out there. Look forward to seeing photos and videos from everybody. And take care.